Welcome back! It's our third day of our 25 days of Christmas nail art. And today we are doing Minnie Mouse. So she's cute. She's so cute. Look at her. And she was easy. For being on some shorties, this was a pretty easy design. Now, I'm not going to stay with you for too long. I just wanted to go over a couple basics because we are still using our Minute Kit nails. These are still the nails that we did with the Rugrats Christmas nails. So, I'm just going in and using the pumice stick to push back the cuticles and get out all the crusty, dusty, musty stuff like top coat that I couldn't get when I was, buffing off the Grinch design. You can't get up under your cuticles with a hand file, and a pumice stick is amazing at cleaning up under the cuticle area. So I made sure that I went in, got my shape back. When I was buffing off the design, I got my shape back. And then using a manicure brush, I dusted all that dust away and then went in with our dehydrator and our non-acid primer. I'm going in with the primer because it helps to keep your nail art from chipping, especially when you're using gel polish. You don't want that to chip a week in. So our non-acid primer is amazing at holding on all nail art, not just keeping your nail extensions on for 5 weeks. And then this is our rubber base gel. This is our foundation gel, and this is the only, rubber base or foundation gel that we have on our site. This is what we put in our drippy dip kits for the dip acrylic method. Now, all of our acrylics are duo acrylics. They are able to be used as dip or acrylic, and they work really great with this method. And what I love about our rubber base is that it is not super self-leveling. It's barely self-leveling at all. And what that means is that it does not run into your cuticles and sidewalls. I love this. It makes life so much easier on me. I get tired of when I'm doing gel nail art and I go in with rubber base and it just flows. And it doesn't matter how much I use. It's like it just spreads. But with rubber base does not spread. It does not self-level. You have to watch when you are applying it. If you're applying a thick amount, that you are not putting a certain, a bigger amount towards one side than the other, because it will be noticeable. And I went in with super thin layer of the rubber base because I did not want it bulking out these nails. All I wanted it to do was pretty much just fill in the back area and make the nails smooth for the nail art. So that's just a new product preview for you guys that is new on the site. Our drippy dip kits are available and they're adorable. You got to check them out. And make sure that you're subscribed and you ring that bell. We'll be back again tomorrow with some more nail art, and I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna let you enjoy the video. And sometimes it's just nice to watch nail videos and listen to some soothing music. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. All right, bye.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will